Hello, boy.
That's a nice one. He's got both tusks.
Yeah.
And we
Are
come
you
this
a
way.
friendly elephant?
Good afternoon, station. Got Mama.
Coming close, huh?
Whoa, he's looking at us.
You must behave, boy.
Oh, what's he doing?
He's trying to intimidate us. It's
Working.
okay, don't move too much.
Whoa, he's here.
No, don't move too much. Don't move too much.
Gee, don't move too much.
Okay, don't move.
Don't move. Don't move.
It's okay.
Gia, don't move. Don't move at all.
Watch what he does. Hey, hey. It's alright. It's just been cheeky.
It's working.
Okay, we're gonna leave him.
It's a good idea.
Okay. Let's find another elephant. But
Whoa, Gia, were you scared? Were you scared?
Stuck. Yeah, she was.
That was close.
That's pretty scary.